So this is part 2, second night of putting headers on my car. You can see here, got some BBKs in there. Let me grab some light. But okay, BBK headers. Right there. Engine bay is it's a disaster. And then when my alternator caught fire extinguisher, and yeah, this engine bay is destroyed. I'm not usually the typical guy that, you know, it's kind of like clean my freaking engine bay all the time, but this is definitely embarrassing. Here's a stock. Here are the stock ones right here. Now you can see it looks like an inch piping. Like, these stock headers are so freaking restrictive, especially for a V8. That's puny. That's like nothing. But it seems like these ones are like 1.5 to 2 inch piping, or maybe 2.5, but they're a lot bigger. Not sure on power gain. I mean, I'm sure it's not much, but it's gonna help the car breathe a lot better. Let's see, right now I got the driver's side on and I'm trying to get the passenger side on. Another thing was, this is a new alternator. Then we got like new alternator. Technically the old one right there at that connection, it was all corroded. Wires started sparking and it caught fire. Fire's never ever good. But so far so good. Still looking for a car, so this is still going to be driven during the rain, and I hate it and love it because I lose traction all the time, but I also like driving this car. It's definitely weird not driving it, especially after all this time. I've been driving an Acura TL, and the luxury between that car and my car, there's a big difference. My car doesn't have heated seats. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get this rolling. Another thing is, we've been kind of slacking on videos, mainly because we don't really have that much to video record, just because it started raining. Recently we just did a photo shoot. We tried doing a vlog on that, but we're still kind of, most of us forgot. Most of us were kind of trying to see what we wanted to show you guys, but we're learning as we go. But yep, I'm gonna go ahead and get this all installed and ready to go, and here in a couple minutes, me and Andrew are gonna sit down and we're gonna talk more about more future plans for the YouTube page, what we're planning on doing for the summer and all that good stuff. So stay tuned. Guys, well, we wrapped up the header install. We got a small little exhaust leak whenever the exhaust and the headers meet up together. But that'll end up getting fixed. We're not really trying to make this video too long, so we're just gonna try to cut it a little bit short with this one. But yeah, everything's done on it. Car's running fine now. Alternator's fixed. Everything's ready to go. Other thing is just clean up the engine bay, and then for now, I believe that's gonna be it. Probably wait a couple weeks until we start actually taking the motor apart, because I still gotta look for a car. So. But other than that, that's a wrap for the car.
Yeah. And so we've been kind of quiet on our page lately. Don't think that we forgot about you guys. We're still acquiring equipment. We're still practicing how to use the editing software, still practicing how to use the cameras and stuff like that. Next thing we're wanting to look into is getting a proper mic so we have better audio while we're doing anything. So I mean, don't forget about us. We're still here. It's off season right now. We're not doing any car meets. We have not been to anything in a little while because it's raining, it's cold, it's the Northwest. This is what we do. It's off season, downtime. So coming back, obviously next spring is when we're gonna start picking things up. We start seeing a lot more videos out. Hopefully we can start doing at least a video a week. Whether it's a vlog, whether it's a driver profile, whether it's just us installing something new or installing something on somebody else's car. So right now, this is our downtime. This is our lazy Christmas season. Spend time with family. So that's why we've been quiet, you know. But don't forget about us. We're coming with some big things next year. So
another thing is later on events. We will be going to drag events. Me and my brother Ishmael, he has a white Fox body. I don't know about Drew, but we're all planning on going out and actually running our cars to quite a few events. I want to try to go up to Portland and try to run my car up there, but other than that, we plan on doing a lot of stuff this summer, lots of videos especially, but other than that, future plans, that's to the extent as of right now. Another thing Drew actually got one of the vinyl stickers today, and he actually put it on his car. We'll here sometime soon. We'll pop up. You know, we'll show you guys probably on one of our Instagrams. But you know, we got those. If you guys want one, you know, just hit us up. You know, we'll try to get one to you guys, and we can talk. So,
all right. Well, till next time, we'll see you guys again.